Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix call ended problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if it is automatically ended your calls without your permission or without you just hang up your device, so how you can fix it in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly you have to just power off your device, just shut down, and then again you have to press volume key and power key at the same time and release the power key when it shows the Motorola symbol, and now keep pressing the volume up button to open the no command. So as you can see, it is in the no command here, and you have to don't panic here if your screen is not working. Then friends, you have to just press the power button and click one time on volume up button, so you can open the recovery mode here. So you can see here there are lots of modes and the screen is not working still. Let's scroll up and down using this volume button and click on reboot system now using this power button. You can see it is rebooting your device now. This will solve your call ended problem. I hope you like this video friends. Now you can see it is open now, and then if your problem is still not solving and if there is any issue remaining left, then you can just call your network provider and call 198 or something. If you have different sim, you can just call different number to help if there is any call ended problem, auto call ended problem. Or you can just long press your this app info. Here it is the calling application. You can just clear data, this also 4-step also here. Just clear this cache, clear storage, and give all the permissions here. You have to allow all these like call logs, camera, micro notification, phone, SMS. You have to enable this phone option. If you don't enable this, allow this feature, you can't be able to receive or attempt call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.